Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix the OBS Studio error saying starting the output failed, please check log for details. Let's begin. First, I want you to open up your OBS Studio. Go ahead. And once you're here, I want you to focus your attention on the top left, click on the file, and then go to settings. Or you can go to this section right over here. It will be the same. Click on output and you will have the option to click in here simple or advanced. So select advanced, and on the recording portion, I want you to select the video encoder, select it to your GPU. All right. So it will see something like hardware or NVIDIA something. Click on it, and by default, you should select the H.264. All right. So select that one, click on apply, and then OK. However, if that still doesn't work and you're still encountering the error, what you can do is go back to this option or screen right here. Instead, I want you to use this option, which is the X264 only. It might say software or just .x264. Select this option and click on apply and then OK. Now, for better performance, of course, using your GPU is going to be going to perform better. But of course, this is another option. Let's just say for quick fixes, right? So choose this, and once done, you might restart your OBS Studio. And once you're back on your screen and open up the OBS, everything should now be working smoothly as ever. And that's it. Is how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.